How to see who shared my post on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and then tap on your profile at the top right corner. Now select on your profile over here, and as you scroll down you can see under your post that there's a particular share, and as you tap on the share you can see there's no option on to see who has shared this. We can see the number of shares that the particular post has, but who has done it we are not known about it. So what we can do over here is we can go back to any of the browser and log into our Facebook application. As you can see, I've already logged into my Facebook application. So what you simply need to do is tap on your profile at the top right corner and simply tap on your profile. As you tap on your profile, you can just scroll down and go to the same page where, or same post where you'd want to share the share over here. So you can see the share number over here. So now let's tap on one share, and here you can see the option of who has shared this particular post. So that's how you can see who shared your post on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.